Tried downloading files with curl, but didn't have much luck? In just a few minutes, I'll show you how to use curl for file downloads to make your workflow a little bit easier. Plus, I'll share a key tip to keep your connection private and stable. But before we dive into this curl download file tutorial, don't forget to hit that like button if you want more tips on automating tasks without interruptions. What is curl and why choose it over other tools for downloading files from the internet? This command line tool lets you download files using different protocols like HTTP, HTTPS, and FTP. It's already pre-installed into many operating systems, so you don't need to download any extra software for automating tasks. But if you still need to install curl, you can easily do that from its official website. Just pick the right package for your operating system or programming environment, install it, and you're good to go. Keeping curl up to date is just as easy. You may not even have to visit the website, depending on your operating system. For example, if you're on Mac OS, you can check if curl is installed and up to date by opening the terminal and running this command. If it's already installed, you can use homebrew to update it. Here's the command you need. And if you're on Linux, just run the following command and you'll install or update it in no time. Once you have it set up, it's time to start downloading files with curl. To download a file from a remote server, this is the command you need. For example, let's say you want to download a zip file from an HTTPS site. Open the terminal and run this command. Let's break it down. This calls the curl command. This specifies the URL where the file is located. This is the curl download file command. When using a -lowercase o, you can save the downloaded file with the custom name in your current directory. If you use a -uppercase o, the file keeps its original name from the remote server and you can't rename it. This is where you set the file name when saving it locally. What if you need to use curl with FTP URLs? In that case, you need a different command. This tells curl that you're using the FTP protocol to download the file. What about URLs that redirect you to a different location? Although curl doesn't automatically follow redirects, you can easily fix that with the -l flag. This tells curl to follow redirects until it reaches the actual file location. If your connection drops while downloading a large file, you don't have to start over. Just use the curl resume function and it'll pick up where it left off. Notice the empty dash in the middle? It tells curl to find the last downloaded byte, so you don't need to do it manually. Want to change the file's name before continuing the download? Just use -lowercase o here and set a new name, and curl will continue downloading as if nothing happened. Want to use curl to download multiple files? You can easily do that by adding multiple URLs in the same command. But if there are dozens or even hundreds, it's easier to put them in a file and run a single command like this. Not sure what this means? Let me break it down for you. This command reads each line from a file and sends it to another command. This tells xargs to take one URL at a time from the file. Curl downloads the file from the URL and the -uppercase o tells it to save the file with its original name. This tells the command to get its URLs from a file called urls.txt. So using a single command like this can help you download multiple files with curl one by one and save them in your computer. Did you know you can even use curl to download a file behind authentication? As long as you know the username and password, you can easily do that with this command. Just type in your username and password right after using the -u flag and add the URL where the protected file is located, and curl will handle the rest. Remember the tip I promised? If you want a private, seamless, and secure file download with curl, pair it with good proxies. They will keep your connection stable and your curl file transfer uninterrupted while protecting your online identity. But that's not all. Using curl with a proxy server in the right location can help you bypass geo-restrictions and access files unavailable in your region. This is when IPRoyal Proxies for curl come into play. With over 34 million IP addresses in over 195 locations worldwide, high speeds and uptime, non-expiring residential traffic and plans with no traffic limit, we have the perfect proxy solution for your curl file transfer needs. Ready to download files without interruptions? Head to IPRoyal.com now and get the best proxies for curl. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on keeping your automation tasks smooth and hit the bell icon. Until next time.